Facebook audiences. Creating an audience on Facebook. Facebook audiences enable you to target people who have engaged with your content, website, or app in the past via custom audiences. You can also find audiences similar to yours via lookalike audiences. You can also save time targeting your known audiences quickly via saved audiences. Creating a custom audience. Custom audiences can help you reach people that already know your brand via ads on Facebook. You can use sources like customer email list, website traffic or app traffic, or engagement on Facebook and Instagram to create custom audiences of people who have interacted with your brand. Custom audiences are a really powerful way to target the right people for your ads. It's easy to create your own custom audiences on Facebook and then target them via the custom audiences option under the ad set level audience section of any new ad campaign creation. In addition to targeting that custom audience in this ad campaign, I am also narrowing the targeting within this custom audience by setting the location to USA only, setting the age, and setting the gender. Since my custom audience is fairly new, so I'm just taking a segment of my entire custom audience by doing this. Because people all over the world view Coursenvy.com, but we're just targeting the United States portion of that custom audience. So navigate to Facebook audiences at business.facebook.com/adsmanager/audiences. You can do this via your ads manager. Just click the menu in the top left corner. Under the advertise section in that menu, select audiences. If you have not created an audience yet, this is what your audience page will look like. We will first create a custom audience. So how to create a custom audience? Click that Create Audience button. In the drop-down menu, select Custom Audience. The Create a Custom Audience pop-up menu will appear. Custom audiences. A custom audience equals a warm audience. Creating a custom audience enables you to connect with the people who have already shown an interest in your online content and were tracked by Facebook, Instagram, and your Facebook pixel. So make sure your Facebook pixel is installed on your website or app before you continue with this lecture. These users that are familiar with your brand, i.e. they engaged with your brand in the past, are a warm audience more likely to take action, such as sign up, purchase, convert. You can create a custom audience from your customer email list, website traffic, your mobile app, video views, post engagement, and more. Some best practices: whenever you create a new product, a new sales page, a new blog post, new website, new lead capture, new Facebook video, immediately after, you should log into your Facebook Business Manager, go to your audience page, and create a custom audience for that new content. Even if you don't plan on retargeting these users right away, I always want to be building custom audiences for future retargeting and future lookalike creation. You can start retargeting these custom audiences with as few as a single user in them. You just might not spend all your allotted ad budget by targeting this small audience, but you can start targeting a custom audience day one. I want my custom audiences populating with users from day one so they're ready to use when I'm ready to use them, or never use them. There's nothing wrong with creating a custom audience. I'd rather have it built just in case. Custom audience durations. You should create a custom audience at varying time durations for your most important time-sensitive pages. You want to be able to target users in the correct time frame to increase your chances for a conversion. For example, if a potential customer adds a product to their cart on my website but doesn't complete their checkout, would you rather retarget them for the next 180 days or for the next 7 days only? You want to target them while the product is still fresh on their mind. So in ad targeting a custom audience of add to cart past 7 days, that's crucial. Creating custom audiences with varying day durations enable you to reach the warmest prospects, i.e. the people who are very close to making a purchase. So a pro tip: whenever you create a custom audience, my rule of thumb is to create one at a 7-day, 14-day, 30-day, 60-day, 90-day, and 180 day. You never know when you're going to be using each one, so you just will have them all created.
And remember, custom audiences update automatically.
For example, let's create a custom audience for all website visitors based on my Facebook pixel for the past 30 days. So create custom audience button, select website, and in this create a website custom audience pop-up, enter the number of days you want people to remain in your custom audience after meeting the website traffic criteria you specified. And I selected our Coursenvy pixel, and then I selected all website visitors and set it to in the past 30 days. People will be removed from your audience after this time frame unless they meet the criteria again. This is the duration of the users since their last visit.
To continue this lecture and our entire Facebook Mastery course, head over to modmba.com. That's modmba.com. Here you can gain access to all of our Coursenvy courses and online certifications worth over $5,000. See why over 500,000 students have enrolled in our Coursenvy courses, all included in the Mod MBA bundle.